it's Artrisa Lynn. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I've partnered with CVS Beauty to bring you an orange seasonal look. Now the temps are starting to drop, leaves are changing colors, and pumpkin spice is everywhere. So if you're looking for a new seasonal makeup look, something quick and easy, keep on watching.
So I'm starting out with the Wet n Wild Not a Basic Peach eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use this orange sultry color, and I'm going to apply it all over my eyelid. Next, I'm going to use this pretty orange gold shimmery color, and I'm going to press it into my crease. I'm now going to take that same color and put it under my lower lash line for a more dramatic look. Okay, next up, I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Black Liquid Eyeliner. Ladies, you already know that to pull this off, you need concentration, focus, and a very steady hand. What I like about this Wet n Wild liquid eyeliner is the brush. It makes it very easy to control, so the liner goes on very smooth. And I know I can't be the only one that holds their breath while doing this. So now that I can finally breathe again, I am just going over my under lash line with a little bit more eyeshadow just to make everything smooth. And to make my eyes pop, I'm going to use this gold color eyeshadow and just place it in the corner of my eyes. So I'm just going to repeat those same simple steps on my other eye. And now for the final touch, which also happens to be my favorite part of the look. I'm using NYX Liquid Suede in the shade Orange County. I absolutely love a bold lip, don't you?
Okay, so that's it. How quick and easy was that, right? So if you want to switch it up, all the items that I used in this video can be found at CVS, online or in store. I will link to the items in the description box below. If you want to see more from me, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for watching. Until the next time, see you in the next video. Bye.